Get excited about the 2017 FIAT 500e. This two-door, four-passenger hatchback just recently passed the 10,000-mile mark. It distinguishes itself from the competition with features such as a trip computer, an outside temperature display, heated seats, and a split folding rear seat. Audio features include an AM/FM radio and 6 speakers, providing excellent sound throughout the cabin. Passenger security is always assured thanks to various safety features such as front and side impact airbags, anti-whiplash front head restraints, ignition disabling, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Electronic stability control ensures solid grip atop the road surface, no matter how challenging the driving conditions. It also arrives with a Carfax history report, providing you peace of mind with detailed information. Our sales staff will help you find the vehicle that you've been searching for. Call now to schedule a test drive.